Good afternoon, my lovers. I'm back out on the fields and I've got a lovely signal down here. Oh, sounds like cack. Still down there. Banging signal. Oh, that should have had it. Still down there? It is. Let's turn it off. It's better. Can't see it. Huge signal. Right, I have to use a peg for the moment. This is my first hole, and I've left me thing in my bag for the moment, but I will be getting it in a minute. Ah, what's that? Ooh. Oh, it's got some writing on it. Ooh. Sort of hinged. Got a hinge. And it's got a load of writing on it. And it says, get it clean. Ooh. What's that say? What's that say? Patent. Ah, patent. Can't quite read the top bit. Squad. And Co. Oh, and Sons. Something and Sons. Patent. Right, whatever that thing is. Oh, I got a banging signal down here. Oh, I don't know. Sounds like cack. Yep, definitely sounds a bit cackish. Oh, 10p! Spendable. Woohoo! Oh, I got a nice one here. Sounds a bit iffy. Oh, it could be silver. I think I can see it. I think I can see it. And it looks like cack. It's a little purse. Hey, I wonder if it's got any money in it. Ooh, found a purse. Metal detected. A little plastic purse. How old's that? Oh, there's no money in it. No money. Oh. Yeah, nothing. Oh, what a bummer. Yeah. Fancy having a purse with no money in it. Oh, little popper's come off. Oh well. Oh, right. On to the next. There's something down there. It's a bit iffy. Yeah, deeper. Ooh, sounds nice now. Hopefully it's not a nail. Ooh, what's that? It's a rock, isn't it? Is that a rock? Ooh, might not be a rock. It might be a great big chunk of metal. Could be a bomb, Second World War bomb. It's a great big piece of metal, whatever it is. Right, I'm going to see if I can get this up. I'll get back to you when I've got it, because it's going to take a bit of digging, methinks. Well, that's what it was. A rock. Look. But it's soft. Oh. And full of shelly type stuff. Bizarre. Is that a burnt daub? Could it be burnt daub? It could be. But not with shell in it, I wouldn't have thought. Right, I might save that, show that to the archaeologist, because that might be important. There was a building here a long time ago, and it's not here now, so it could have been a wooden building. Right, I'll show that to an archaeologist. Unless there's some watching. It's a funny shape for daub though. And I don't think daub had shells in them, I think it's like hay and stuff. It definitely looks a bit shelly, that. Bizarre. Oh, I've got a nice one here. Yeah, 1243 coin. Sounds a bit iffy now. Right there. Ah, where's my tool gone? Oh, I've put it down somewhere. I'll find it later. Right, it's right here. Oh, what's that? Looks like a coin. Looks like a coin. Yes, I think it's a coin. It's a bit smooth. Very smooth. That is a very smooth coin, if it is. Let's get some better light on it. Is it a coin though? Get off, fly. Being buzzed. What's that hole in the middle? I'm not sure this is going to be a coin, you know. I think this is something else. It is a thing. Can't see anything on it apart from a lot of scratch marks. Like a blank coin. Bizarre. Got a nice patina. It's been down there a long time. Bizarre, that is. That's bizarre. Right, whatever that is. Well, we reckon we might have an axe head here.
Do you reckon?
Or it's a great big thing.
I didn't pinpoint that very well.
Oh, how about that for a horseshoe?
It's a horseshoe.
It's a great big one. Yeah.
Really nice.
They got the funny metal ribs on it.
A cart horse?
Like, just there, that sort of like lines on it. But look at the size of it. This is Tony.
Hello everybody.
And he's new to metal detecting, obviously.
Yeah, just taking up the hobby.
I don't tend to dig up horseshoes very often. Anglo-Saxon ones, yes, I'd go for them. But that is, look at the thickness. Monster. Must have been a Shire horse or something.
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it?
You can have that one back.
Oh, thank you very
much. You can put that in your finds pouch.
It's a bit heavy, isn't it? Can you carry it?
No. Oh, I've had an haircut, look. Oh yeah, nice and cool now. Right, I'm back out on the fields, and as you saw a second ago, I'm out with Tony, a newbie. Hopefully we won't be digging up too many horseshoes. Right, I'm on a little bit of a Roman site. I'm hoping to find some sort of Roman coin or brooch or something. But I'm not getting too many signals. So I'm hoping I might find something, at least. I found lots of bullet casings on this field before now, so hopefully we might find a live one. Right, we've got a few pegs down the bottom of this little slope, and we're going to see what they are. Oh, I didn't film this one because it sounded a bit like cack, and it is cack. Well, cackish. Some sort of little fixing ring. Obviously went on something. I don't think it's Iron Age or Roman even. Ugh. Oh, I think I'm on a bit of a footpath here. 4 inches. Could be a 20p piece. What do you reckon? 20p, 50p? I reckon it could be modern spendable. Oh, I think it's out. It's out. It's down there somewhere. Can't see it. Right, let me nope. Oh, it's in the clot, is it? No, it's in there. Right. It's in here, next to that worm. Excuse me, Mr. Worm. Yeah. Can we see it? No. Oh, it's still in there. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's just dropped out. Where'd it go? Ah, there it is. 20p! 20p, I knew it, look. What they call me, septic Clegg. Septic Clegg. Oh, mystic Clegg. Septic Clegg. Oh, yeah. 20p. What was the date? 2004. Lovely jubbly. God, Tony's just found something. Look at that. Now that, it's copper. See the green? It's a copper. It's a lump of copper. But what it is tapering, so it's going in, like. See it going in? Look, it's tapering that way, almost like a big gun barrel. Could it be a section of gun barrel? And then it flanges out, look, on the end. That is weird. Couldn't be a gun barrel, got a hole in it. If it is a touch hole, it'd be a blinking big one. There's another one there, look. So whatever that is, that must be, that cost a few quid in scrap. Huge. Yeah, you can see the copper there, look. Wow. He's good at finding big things, is Tone. That must have been given a hell of a signal. Right, so whatever that is. You look, Tone with his trusty pesky Deus has found an artifact.
Amadeus, Amadeus.
So we think just here. Oh yeah. That's coming up as silver on mine.
Is it?
Yeah, silver, could be silver. Oh, I've got bugs in my ear. Right, nettles everywhere. Look at the stinging nettle roots. What have I done with, it's over there. Oh, yeah, so just down here. We think they might have an artifact. Ah, there, look. We think. Yeah, it's definitely, I'll put you down the hole. Yeah, look, see? Is it going to be something spectacular? Ooh, it's different. What's that? What is that? It's got a funny hook on one end. Some sort of range guide? Possibly. The best thing we've found all day. Oh, apart from that good big lumpo of something, which could be a part of a bronze cannon. Probably not. So yeah, whatever that is. Thought it was going to be one of those, you know, annular buckles, but me doesn't think so. Looks like that might have twisted. Right, whatever you think that is. Oh, that's it, me lovers. We're cream crackered and we're heading off to the pub for some jars of ale. Cheers!